One of the most stressful things you will ever do in crypto is taking profits. If you've tried to take profits before or even thought about it, just that anxiety of what if price rises? Well, in today's video, I'm going to solve all of those problems. I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step strategy where you can take the absolute best profits you will ever take in Bitcoin. If you're new here, my name is Steve, and this is where you come to have more success in trading. Hit that subscribe button right now. Did you hit it? Hit that subscribe button right now. Everybody hit the thumbs up button. We're jumping straight into it with the clear step-by-step. If you watched yesterday's video, this is the full strategy. All the steps included inside one video. I need to start with our seats are almost sold out. There's only a small number now of seats. They're almost all gone. If you have been waiting and waiting and waiting, it's going to be too late. They're going to be sold out and prices are going to increase. You need to take action now. But first, I want to talk to all the students that went crazy for the hybrid indicator. If you're an old student and you haven't signed up to this yet because we haven't allowed the ability to sign up to it by itself, we just changed that, but there's only a couple seats left. If you have been absolutely going crazy to sign up to this and you're an old student, email me right now. Only a few spots left. info@cryptokoreanuniversity.com. Do you see the email? info@cryptokoreanuniversity.com. Put in the subject line, indicator. Now, if you haven't signed up to these courses yet, these are an absolute game changer. These will completely change the way you look at the charts. It will completely change the results you're getting. If you want financial freedom, do you want financial freedom for you and your family? If so, you can't keep heading down that path you're on. You need to be put on the right path. You invest in yourself will be the best investment you've ever made. No more waiting. Today is your day. You don't want to watch the prices go up on these courses and be regretting it for the rest of the year. Don't do that. Go sign up right now, cryptokoreanuniversity.com. You can see the website right here, cryptokoreanuniversity.com. I'll link it down below, and it's up there. Go to the site right now. Go there right now. You're going there right now. Pause this video and head over right now. Look at how beautiful these courses are. Game-changing, changing lives around the world. Highly probable you're going to get the gold. If you've been in crypto 1 to 5 years, have you been in crypto 1 to 5 years? Yes, you get the gold. If not, you're going to sign up to the diamond if you've been in crypto around 1 year. Get the diamond. It'll start you right at step 1. Then you're going to be brought to this secret page. This is where the magic happens. The game-changing indicator, plus bonus 1, plus bonus 2. Instant trade alerts right to your phone, right to your email. Go get this right now. Click here as fast as you can before the seats run out. There's not many left. Not many seats left. Go act now. Okay, inside the video, we're going to do step by step about taking profits. The most stressful thing, the most overwhelming thing you will ever do in trading. Whether you're a long-term investor or you're doing swing trades or you're a hybrid trader, what I want to share with you is a simple process that you can take to have the maximum profits in your pockets, okay? So we're looking for Confluence. We're going to go through these steps. If you watched yesterday's video, step 1, pi cycle. We're not going to get into the specifics of the pi cycle, but it's accurately predicted every single market top. We're looking for the orange to cross the red. Once we do, it's a market top plus or minus 3 days. That's rule number 1. But we need Confluence, so we need other rules. So if we have that orange cross the red, you're going to jump over here to the 2-week chart. Look at the RSI. Look at the level of 95. Where are we? Are we at it or above? Okay, then we have 2 check marks. So far, those are our first 2 rules. Have we had an orange cross up? Are we at or above 95 on the 2-week chart for the RSI? You can see this was the top, this was the top, this was the top, this was the top. In fact, using just this chart, every single time we were above 95, we had a plummet in prices of a minimum of 77%. Now let's get into the other 2 steps. Before we do that, we've got to talk about The Twitters is on fire. Go sign up or go follow us on the Twitters, Crypto Crew U on the Twitters. Go over there, show some love. That's where we do a lot of content that's not on the YouTubies. Now, step number 3. We're on a roll. You understand step 1. You understand step 2. Let's say that we have had an orange cross up. You get to this on the 2-week chart. We are at or above 95. You come over here to the Bitcoin log growth curves. Where are we in terms of this top yellow line? Are we at it or nearly at it? Then we're getting Confluence. We're getting Confluence that the market has reached a pinnacle market top. I just want to make it super clear. If you're watching this video 3 or 6 months into the future and you've looked at step 1, 2, and 3, and we have check mark, but your anxiety is going to be driving you crazy because every single human in crypto at that moment will be screaming that we're going way higher, and it will be so hard to sell. It will be incredibly hard to maximize those profits. I just want to tell you, because a lot of new folks believe, hey, this is going to be easy. This will be the easiest thing. Everyone's going to know that we're at a market top. No. When you look around and Grandma Betty is telling you that you need to buy more Bitcoin, it's time to get the hell out, okay? If Grandma Betty is calling you up on her big walkie-talkie phone, it's time to run for the hills, okay? And that's what it's gonna feel like if we are near a top. Now, we have one bonus step in here, all right? We covered steps 1 through 3. Here's a bonus step, and I want you to use this as your secret weapon. This is the Bitcoin investor tool. I want you to pay attention to the red line, okay? Because in the past, if we look left, once we're above the red line, it's only a matter of 20-25 days before we reach that pinnacle top. So this is your secret weapon to know, hey, we're getting ahead of this. Once we get ahead on this red line, you're watching steps 1, 2, and 3 like a hawk. We're not there yet. You can see the red line right now is at about 55. Once we're above this red line, then you interact with these step 1, step 2, step 3. If you get to the point where we have an orange cross and we're above this 95 on the weekly the 2-week RSI, and we are nearly at this yellow line, it's time to take profits, especially if we are above this red line here. So this is your secret weapon. This is kind of what triggers you to look at those 3 charts. So this formula will be full intact for years and years and years and years to come in crypto. This will be your secret weapon, this formula that I've given you right now. Leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And I want to give back to some people in need. So if you're really in a desperate financial situation, I have some news that I believe you're going to go crazy for. So I do want to start out by saying these courses, again, we talked about it earlier, almost sold out. Go get your seat right now before it's too late. It'll be your biggest regret. It'll be your most prized possession, your happiest moment when you sign up, because you're just going to be blown away. You're going to be absolutely blown away. So cryptocrewuniversity.com. Now, for people in need, if you're someone that's really struggling financially and you've been wanting to get these courses, I know they're 61.8% off, and that's just absurdly reduced. But I do want to do something even more special to people that are very, 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 very deserving and in need. I'm talking about single moms, single dads that are really struggling, war veterans that are really struggling, frontline workers that are really struggling, people that just got destroyed by the coronavirus that are really struggling, people who are retired and really struggling. If this is you, write me an email right now. We will take a select few people that are very, very, very deserving and do something extra special for them. Okay, so when you put the email, put the subject as underdog and put info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. That's the email. I'll see you on the inside. Leave a thumbs up on this video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.